Hey guys, I'm going to install this Fluid Master Universal Toilet Fill Valve. So in this thing right now, we've got a float. So, you know, the old school kind of floats and stuff. Go ahead and change that out. Put that needle in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn this off. That off, and then we'll go ahead and flush it, get the water out of the bowl. Okay, now I recommend you get like a bucket or something to put underneath here, because when you unscrew this, a little bit of water is going to come out. So it's kind of tough. You're going to need a towel too. It's hard to get totally underneath there real quick. But there we go. I'll try to get that bucket under there as quick as I can. Alright, not too bad. Okay, now we're going to need to undo this thing under here. Alright, I just use that crescent wrench right there just to break the torque on that, and then you can get it by hand after that. It comes right off. This is a super easy installation. There we go. Now we need that bucket. Pull it from underneath there until it's drain the bowl. Okay, for right now, we're going to leave this hooked up to our flap there. So this is the piece that we're just going to change out. So there's that piece. Okay, there's the parts that we got with it. And this is just going to go right down in there. Right, there's the seal to the bottom of the bowl, and then we're going to use this. Right there. And then this is going to go in the bottom. Just crank that baby down nice and tight. Okay, now this is so easy. So this here is going to clip to your drain, right? That's going to face that way. That's going to connect to this tube. The other end of the tube is going to connect right here. There's the tube installation to the float, and then I'm going to connect this side to this. Okay, we've connected it there. Now we want to make sure that this empties down into that hole. So that will ensure that happens. Okay, so this is your tank water level right there. So if you want it to go higher, give it a crank this way. More water, less water, go that way. Okay, I'm going to finish tightening up that bottom bolt down here, and then we'll hook the water back up to it. Hook this up. Okay, we're all hooked up there. Turn that baby on, make sure we don't have any leaks. And there it is, filling up. And like I said, the adjustment right here. So you decide how much water you want in there and how little water you want in there. It's looking good. It's installed. Okay, let's flush it. And a little bit less water. What that does is it puts that float lower to the water level, so it won't come up as high. There we go. You can really reduce the water that you have in here. There you go.